Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can compare your weapon that you are used in your loadout. So what you need to do first is go to your loadout and tap your favorite one. Maybe for example I'm using this M13. Tap the R13 weapon. This one. This is the compare icon. Tap it. As you can see, this is the M13 that I'm use. This one, and tap the second one. Just tap, and please tap to the weapon that you want to compare. For example, I want to compare my M13 with the Man O War, for example. Tap to compare. This one, as you can see, this is my M13, and this is this is Man O War. You can compare like the details of the fire interval, and this is the trajectory or the recoil that man over, and M13 the yellow and man over the blue one, and this is the ADS hip fire. So you can compare your weapon to this system. Tap the question mark. This is about the weapon comparison system. Number one, the system is still in testing. Please give us feedback. So this is still testing, and please try please feel free to try weapon comparison system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.